Hello, and in today's video I will show you how to do swapping of two numbers using a third variable. So let's get started. The header file hash include filestream, filestream using namespace std int main. So we will take three variables with num1, num2 and a temp. So we should ask the user to enter the first number. Sorry. Enter the first number, say in num1, and we will prompt the user to enter the second number, enter the second number, and we will store it in say in num2. Now we will just swap these two numbers. We'll write temp equals num1 semicolon, num1 equals num2 semicolon, num2 equals temp. So here what we have done, initially the temp variable was empty, so we put the num1 value in temp, and suppose that num1 user entered was 10, and when the 10 is stored in temp, so num1 is empty, so then num2 value, suppose num2 was 20, so num2 value was assigned to num1, then num2 was empty, and the temp value which was storing the 10, temp equal, so let me comment it out, temp equal 10 was assigned to equal num2. So the swapping is performed. Let's print it out. See out, num1 equals num1, and then write it a bit clear before swapping. Initially we should write it over there, control C X over here, before swapping, swapping before swapping num1, wait a second, let me just format it, before swapping num1 equals num1, and before swapping num2 equals num2, and after swapping, see out, after swapping, see out, num1 equals num1, and then see out, num2 equals num2, and then the program is completed. Just write a return statement, and that's all. Now just run our code. Control Alt N. The is saying that to enter first number, maybe a little bit bigger. Enter first number. Suppose we entered 10. Entered second number. Suppose we entered 20. Then before swapping, num1 is equal to 10 and num2 is equal to 20. Let's add a bit space over there so it looks good. And after swapping, we have seen that num1 is assigned to 20 and num2 is assigned to 10. Just format it a bit. Then again rerun it. Enter first number 10. Sorry. 10, 20. Before swapping, num1 is equal to 10, num2 is equal to 20. After swapping, num1 is equal to 20 and num2 is equal to 10. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.